Hi dear Cancerians, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading from 1st of March till 15th of March. So we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome, okay? So right now your partner's energy is the 10 of Swords. So basically they are thinking that this relationship is over, and from their side also their energy is like maybe they are not talking to you or not communicating with you, or if they are communicating with you, there is very little, or maybe just friendly talks, or maybe a little hi hello or professional talks. Okay, so from their side it is kind of this relationship is kind of over, or you can say the worst is over, I can say, because there's a new beginning in this relationship, what I can feel, what I can see from the spread. So basically your partner right now in this is in the energy of breaking out, or feeling backstabbed, or they are feeling like stuck somewhere, or they're not able to move, or kind of overthinking, overanalyzing thing. But this is the best card in the deck, I'm telling you, because this is the beginning, end of something very very bad and beginning of something very very new. Okay, very very good. And your energy right now, Cancerians, is the 10 of Pentacles. You are working on your own prosperity, your own happiness, your family, your work life, your career, or something like that. So basically you are working on yourself right now. You are not in this zone of loving or caring or sharing, but right now you are in the zone of working on yourself, working on your business or your career, or on your goals or dreams, you can say. Okay, how your partner sees you. Your partner sees you as the Knight of Pentacles energy is there. So your partner sees you as someone who is very very stable, financially as well, emotionally as well. They found you a mature person. They feel like you are the kind of person whom they can marry and whom they can spend their rest of life with, because they found you very very stable and mature and financially stable as well. Lots of people see this as a factor, as a very important factor in their married life, that the partner should be financially stable, and they see you as that only. Okay, how you see your partner? You see your partner as somebody who is very very adamant, or stuck, or they are not ready to understand what you want to tell them. So basically this is the 7 of Wands energy. So basically they stand their point. If they are telling you something, if they are saying you something, they feel like this is the only way to talk to you. They are not ready to bend a little. They are not ready to bow down, or bend their ways, or move towards flexibility. Basically I want to say that you feel like your partner is not flexible to talk to. They are very very adamant and sometimes rude as well, according to you, what I feel like. And how they see this relationship, what they feel about this relationship is a fool. They don't know the future of this relationship, but they are ready to take the risk with you. They are again ready to take the leap of faith with you. They want a new beginning in this relationship, and they want to explore things with you. They want to explore where this relationship will go in the future, because what I feel is right now you guys might not be talking or communicating with each other, but I feel like this person is ready to start a new beginning with you, start a new relationship with you, because they think that this is over from your side, because they are fearing the worst from your side, and that is why they are ready to take a leap of faith again with you. They are ready to give this relationship, give you a second chance. Okay, what you feel about this relationship is the 6 of Swords. You are feeling like this relationship is finally moving towards calmer phase in your life. Maybe there was a turbulence in this relationship. Maybe there were lots of conflicts going on, and you guys were not able to resolve those conflicts, and that is why you might be moved away from this person, or you walked away from this relationship. Now you are feeling about this relationship, now you are feeling that yes, this is a peaceful thing. My life is now peaceful, much more better than before, and you are moving towards a peaceful, a calmer water situation in your life. So basically you are feeling like yes, now this relationship moving towards a calm future, towards a calmer position. Okay, and what they want from this relationship, this is the Knight of Wands energy. They want the passionate start, they want a passionate beginning. I told you, they are ready to start a new chapter of this relationship with you. So they are ready to take a leap of faith with you again, and they are ready to start a new passionate beginning with you. Maybe sexually they are very very attracted to you, maybe physically they are very very attracted to you. That is why this is a lots of this passion, this Knight of Wands is passionate energy, rushing energy, and they want to just jump into this relationship again, and want to see what will happen next, what will come next. So they are ready to do anything to get you back, Cancerians, what I feel like, because they are very very passionate, very very filled with love and passion for you right now. Maybe this distance that you made from them because you moved away from them, I feel like that. Maybe this distance make them realize that they love you or they want you and they are very very passionate about you. So that is why they are trying to get you back, trying to communicate with you. What you want from this relationship? You want independence. This is the Nine of Pentacles energy. I told you before as well, you are focused on your own money, your own business, your own career. This is also what you want from this relationship. You want maturity from this relationship. You want independence from this relationship. You feel like if this relationship is not independent, I don't want to be in this relationship. If this is not going to make me feel happy or give me that space that I require for my personal growth, because I feel like somewhere down, deep down, you were feeling like I am tied down to this person. I don't have time for myself and I'm not able to move forward as in my career or in my business. So basically you want independence, you want space in this relationship. If you want if this person wants to be with you, that is what you want from this relationship. The outcome from their side is the King of Cups. They are deeply in love with you. They are maybe now they are understanding what you wanted from them. So basically now they are developing love feelings for you that are very very deep and spiritual, I can say. These love feelings are very very deep from their side, from your side as well. Knight of Cups, this is the King of Cups. Their love is I think they are sure about this, in that they are in love with you. Now they want you, now they love you a lot. From your side, this is the Knight of Cups. This is a mature energy, but right now it is not that much mature as a king. So you are also developing romantic feelings for them. You are also developing spiritual and good feelings for them. Maybe after a long time you guys are meeting, and again when you are meeting, you guys are feeling the spark again. So basically you both are on the same page, but you are a little low from them right now. But eventually you will also fall in love with this person if you give them another chance, okay? This is what I'm feeling from both of the parties. And the outcome from the universe is the Nine of Cups. This is a wish fulfillment card. So I feel like you guys will be together soon. You guys will have lots of talks, lots of communication, lots of lovey-dovey and passionate communication. I can see or passionate exchange of energy as well, sexual energy as well, physical energy as well. What I can feel is this is a wish fulfillment card. Maybe this is what you were wishing for and now your wish is fulfilled. The Hermit, you are going inside as well. It is not like you are jumping into bed with them suddenly or just like that. You are taking your own sweet time. You are analyzing everything. You are contemplating everything. You are seeing all the angles of this situation from all the angles. And now maybe after contemplating everything, after taking everything into consideration, you are finally ready to move with this person. This is the Ace of Cups energy. So I feel like emotional exchange will be there. Emotions, lots of emotions are there, lots of love is there. It is just like you just have to grab it and you just have to enjoy it, Cancerians. This is a very beautiful energy. I feel like after so long I am doing Cancerians reading. That is very very good and happy. So yeah, this is your outcome. Wish fulfillment, going deep inside and looking for all the pros and cons, all the negatives and positive of this relationship, and finally accepting the truth that you also love them, they also love you, and finally they are mutual feelings. New beginning in this chapter of your life, new beginning in your love life. This is a very beautiful energy. And the bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles energy is there. So Page of Pentacles is a beautiful energy. It is also immature energy, but it is kind of a start, a spark. So it will be there will be a new beginning. There will be a new start and new emotional communication between you two, and then the relationship will start from a new chapter, from a new energy, okay, with a new energy. What I can feel is, so for the past, from the Love Oracle deck, the past we had the relationship was over, no second chances, grow and transform your life. For the past energy we have this. So you were thinking like this in the past, that this relationship is over, there will be no second chances whatsoever, and yeah, breakup thing, transforming. You were transforming, you both were transforming. The present energies of separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of future. I told you separation is there. So right now you guys are in the separation mode maybe, or you guys are not communicating really well, but communication will soon come and you guys will love each other. I think so. Okay, and right now in the near future, what we can see is the self indulgence cards there. So focus on self worth, time to heal, shadow work, self appreciation. That is what you are doing, Cancerians. Okay, this is the same thing, self worth. This is self indulgence, what you are doing right now, and what you will be doing in the near future as well. But after this self work, this self feeling and all this thing, you are finally coming into this zone of loving, starting this relationship all over again with a new energy. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is, in love oracle card, is the mask. Not showing true feelings, hiding, personifying, pretend. Okay, lots of things are written. So this is your energy right now. Maybe you are not showing your true feelings to them, but you feel for them, Cancerians. Don't lie to yourself. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so love is on both of your minds. Relationship is on both of your minds. This is a wish fulfillment that you were wishing for from a very long time. I can feel, Cancerians. I feel like this is what you wanted from a very long time. Now your partner wants a new beginning with you. They love you. They are finally they are feeling, yes, this is the right person for me. They will come back for sure with a very, very passionate energy. Lots of communication coming in, lots of happiness coming in. You want your space in the relationship. You are very clear about this thing, and I feel now they will feel what you feel. Okay, now they are ready to give you the space, give you the independence that you always wanted in this relationship, Cancerians. I got so much excited, I don't know why. So yeah, this is all about your love life till mid of March, Cancerians. I hope it will help you up to some extent. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you and namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it does resonate with you on any level, and if I can improve something in my readings. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. Wishing a very, 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 very good night. Thank you.